Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about prime numbers, composite numbers and perfect numbers. First we will discuss about prime numbers. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number, or we can say that prime number has only two factors. Has how many factors? Two factors. First is 1 and itself. So let's see whether 2 is a prime number or not. We know 2 has only two factors, one is 1 and another one is 2. So 2 is a prime number. And what about 3? 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3. So this is also a prime number. What about 4? 4 has 1 as a prime number, factor. 2 is also a factor of 4 because we can divide 4 with 2 completely and this. So not a prime number because it has 3 factors. Next, let's take an example of 5. 5 also is divisible by 1 and itself. So this is a prime number. So in this way we can find out prime numbers. Let's see whether 8 is a prime number or not. 8. So the factors of 8 are 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. So it's not a prime number because its factors are more than 2. And all other numbers having factors more than 2 are called as composite numbers. So the composite number have factors more than 2. So this 4 is a composite number, 6 is a composite number, 8 is a composite number, 10 is a composite number, and so on. We can find lots of composite numbers. Next, we have perfect number, a number for which the sum of its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. Let me explain this with an example. Let's take 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So if I add these factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 12, and this 12 we can write like 2 multiplied by 6. So we can say because the sum of the factors is equal to 2 times 6. So we can say 6 is a perfect number. Points to remember about prime number, composite number and a perfect number. First point is 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Why? Because 1 has only one factor. So for prime numbers we need 2 factors, and for composite number we need more than 2 factors. And second one is smallest prime number is 2, which is an even number. Third one is all other prime numbers except 2 are odd. All other prime numbers are odd, like 3, 5, 7, all these are odd numbers. Fourth one is every perfect number is a composite number, but every composite number is not a perfect number. So let's do some examples related to these numbers. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. These are more than 2. So 25 is a composite number. Let's see whether this is a perfect number or not. For perfect number we have to add all its factors, means this. So this will become equal to 31, and we know we can't write 31 2 into 25, which is not correct. So this is not a perfect number, not a perfect number. Next we have 17. It has only two factors, 1 and 17. So it means it is a prime number. So prime numbers are not perfect number, that we know. Third question is 10. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10 itself. So this is a composite number. So now let's check whether this is a perfect number or not. 1, 2, 5 plus 10, which is equal to 10, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So we can't write this as 2 into 10. So this is also not a perfect number, correct? Next question we have 28. We can find the factors of 28 like this: 1 into 28, and after that 2 into 14, which is equal to 28, and 4 into 7, which is equal to 28. Then after that 7 into 4, which is equal to 28. Now the numbers are interchanging, so we will take a U-turn from here. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, and after that 14 will come, and then 28. Now let's find out the sum of these number. Let's find out the sum of these factors: 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, which is equal to this will become equal to 56, and we can write this 56 as 2 into 28. So it means this 28 is a perfect number. Thank you everyone for watching my video.